How to change the default email on Gmail. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the default email on Gmail. First, navigate to the web browser and reach the Gmail website. Then click on your account shown at the top right corner. Now select the Manage Your Google Account option. On the left side, you will find the Personal Info option. After that, click on it and select the email option under Contact Info. Following that, find and click on the alternate email shown here. Now hit the Add Email Address and enter your default email here. In this way, you'll be able to change the default email on Gmail. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.